have, we now have the next sound, which is the short oo sound. The short oo sound. Okay, as in foot, good, put, to, who. The next sound we have here is the long oo, as in ooze, goose, two, boo, loo, two. And the next sound we have here is a short under, order, otter, bird, cart, nerd. And the next sound is the long sound. It could be written in both ways. Okay, I'm sorry. Let me clean this up so that you get a better view. All right, the long it could be written both ways. Earn, curl, furl, bird, fur, curl. Okay, and the last sound we'll have in the 12 vowel sound is sound. About, again, police, standard, color, mother, sister, butter. So this is the sound.